Oh, it's cold over in Spain. I come over for the weather. It's not too clever. Listen, in Las Vegas, I hope it's a lot warmer over there than it is now because it's double freezing here at the moment. Okay, it really is. Listen, if you want to make money online and you're in the Las Vegas area, okay, I'm here to help you, right? If you want to chat with me, you can call me on Skype, Agio0, it's A-G-G-I-O, okay? I have a system, okay, proven system that I make money today, okay? Not some system that's been re-ramped and resurfaced and recovered. It's an old system that doesn't really work, but everyone gives money. I tell you what, I come straight to the point. It's what's going to cost you a month. $25, plus you need the $19.95 for the affiliate, okay? But you think about 80 cents. You're going to talk to a guy as much as you like for 1 minute, 5 minutes, an hour to get you up and running. Doesn't matter if it takes 30 days, 60 days, whatever. I'm here to help you. My system, I'll get you, you're going to have all the tools you need to make money. All the emails and videos, all the autoresponder goes out, okay? Everything works for you, okay? All set up, all neat, everything's going to work. I'll give you 85,000 leads you can contact. You can either do it the rich way or the poor way. Free advertising or buy advertising, whichever suits your budget. But you think 80 cents, okay? So don't gamble your life away, okay? Or maybe you have, or maybe you just got beaten up. Maybe life's just got to give you a bad call. I'm here to sort it out, okay? So, you want to talk to someone that's making money, call me on Skype, Agio0, or click the link below. 80 cents a day. Can't offer you no more than that. Listen, you have a good day, or go and put your money on black, okay? And the best of luck. Ciao. Hope it works out for you. Ciao.